Hello guys, this is Creative 3D CR8 3D machine, and let's start the laser function. First of all, you should prepare the laser file in the SD card, and then choose the Prepare and Auto Home. You can see the nozzle is slowly getting down. And then prepare disable adapters. And then move axis, move 1 mm, move Z, and keep the Z axis in the 90. And then you can see the nozzle is slowly getting up. And then put on the wood ball in the heating bed. Keep the bottom line and the middle like this. And then move the nozzle. Keep the bottom line. And the LCD screen, choose the control, temperature, fan speed. Keep the fan speed in 225. And then you can see the laser burn in the wood ball, and adjust the laser hand. Keep the fire testing, and then you can, and the testing is okay. And then choose your laser file and print it. And finish the printing. You can see the photo in the wood ball. Thank you.